guys, it's Emma and from the Sweely Life, and today we're going to show you how to make a big bubble out of Mega Slime. So, you're going to want to first grab just a tiny little piece. Oh, that was too tiny probably. And mess up. Oops. I saw Bertaley, they did this, and then they took a lighter and they lit like a little bit, and it made this really cool. It was amazing. But
okay, well, we're not using lighters on our channel. Sorry.
There's something in it. Okay. Anyways, you're gonna grab a little bit, what you think is enough. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Make sure your slime's evenly flattened out. And you're gonna grab a little bit from the front. And then you can. And it makes cracking noises. I'll do it one more time.
Dad, stop playing campaign. We can hear it. Whoa.
Okay, do it one more time and don't break it right away so I can get a better
Yeah, I
picture.
didn't Cohen. That was Cohen.
Cohen has turned into Aquaman or somebody that has
Cohen,
fingers
don't
like
touch
that.
it.
No.
Well, that looks cool.
It's rising up.
And now rise up. I'll raise up the tide.
And then this is her other slime, her last one. Little bubbles in there.
I'm fixing all my slimes.
And then right there.
When we went on the road trip, I brought what the slimes that I brought. I didn't play with them literally at all. So now they're like really sticky. Like I'll show you. That wasn't a good example. If I see, it's like really sticky.
I thought you made them. They're your
It
babies.
smells good.
Okay,
Smell
so show
vision.
us.
Smell vision.
Okay, show us one more time the bubble.
Don't.
Wait, can I try it?
No.
Please?
Whoa.
Super cool. Okay, what do we say at the end of every one of our videos?
The slime is cool.
Never
Don't forget to
comment.
Hey, mister.
don't listen to him. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it. Well,
Don't
obviously
forget
you're
to
gonna
not
like
subscribe.
it, so just like it up anyways. Comment down below the question of the day, which we'll tell you in a second, and subscribe.
No.
And hit the notification bell right next to the subscription button if you want to be notified every time we post. Because you never know when we will update a new
And we're going
YouTube
to
video.
comment bye to you. All byes. We're like, hi.
We're going to say,
Bye.
Doesn't even
Hi.
make any sense. Go.
would you rather have a Tesla or a Lamborghini?
Ooh, that was a good question for Cohen,
I know,
right?
trying to
Cohen, would you rather have a...
Wait, you say no Teslas or Lamborghinis. Tell me.
I think I'd like to have a Tesla.
Tesla.
Lambo.
Tesla for Emma.
Lambo.
Lamborghini for Cohen.
Wait, no.
I'm
no.
sure.
Say,
Okay, say bye.
Don't
Wait,
forget,
wait.
I came up with that good question of the day. Bye, guys. Love you.
she just said it because Jake Paul has a Tesla and a Lamborghini.
No, because the show I watched, Bertaley has it. And I really want those.
Bertaley has a Lamborghini?
A Tesla.
Oh. Okay, adios, guys. See you
Adios.
later.
So much